Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about growing a beautiful flowering plant called Nicotiana, also known as flowering tobacco. Nicotiana is not a very popular plant. It is not common as other garden flowers that you see everywhere, but they deserve more attention. They're very beautiful plants. When it blooms, it completely covers itself with flowers, sometimes so much that you can't even see the leaves. It's stunning in the garden and a perfect choice for anyone who wants something different. And the best part is they're very easy to grow plants. So if you're a beginner or you don't have enough time to look after the garden, then these are perfect plants for you. One of the things I love about this plant is that how well this blooms. You can see it is completely covered with flowers and it has been like this throughout the season. So it's a great plant if you want continuous flowers in your garden. Flowering tobacco is an annual plant. You can grow it in summer if you live in a cooler climate, or in winter if you're in a hot tropical area. The flowers are star-shaped or trumpet-shaped, and they come in beautiful shades of pink, purple and white. The leaves are large, green and slightly sticky, and the plant itself grows very quickly. You can grow them easily in containers or in garden beds. When it comes to sunlight, Nicotiana grows well in both full sun and partial shade, but for the best results, try to give them 6 hours of direct sunlight. In hotter regions, a bit of afternoon shade will be better since they don't do well in heat. As for soil, they're not fuzzy at all. They will grow in any kind of soil, whether it's acidic or alkaline soil, it doesn't matter, as long as it is well draining. If your soil is poor, then mix some good quality compost with it to improve the quality. You can also add some bone meal and horn meal for extra nutrition. For watering, keep the soil moist, but don't overwater it. Water it whenever the topsoil starts to dry out. Don't overwater them. Overwatering can cause root rot and fungal problems. Now let's talk about feeding. I use a liquid mustard cake solution every 10 days. You can use any organic liquid fertilizer in a weekly basis. And once a month, I add a small amount of granular feed around the soil. They don't need heavy feeding. Regular and moderate feeding will be enough to keep them flowering throughout the season. I did not have much pest problem with this plant, but sometimes you may see aphids or mealybugs. A light spray of neem oil weekly will be enough to control them. You should also deadhead the spent and dry flowers and prune any dry leaves. This will keep the plant neat and it will encourage more flowers. This is one of the best plants I have grown in my garden and also one of the easiest plants. It kept flowering throughout the season without any maintenance and I really enjoyed growing it. I'm sure you will enjoy too. So go ahead and try growing Nicotiana or Nicotiana in your garden. You won't regret it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye!